Hi, I'm Dave Nauber. I'm the brand director of Classé, and I'd like to talk to you about the quality of these products. The Classé products are extremely well made. First of all, let's just look at the meter face. You'll notice that it follows into the curve of the chassis. It's an indication that somebody really cared about the design, that it looked a certain way. Lift the front of the amplifier. This is indeed a really heavy amp. And it's just a good indication that, yeah, there is a lot of physics behind this. There's copper and steel, and there's a lot that's gone into this product that makes for a high quality sound. Just feel the volume knob. The volume knob of the preamp communicates a lot. It's hard to measure what it feels like, but it's a beautiful experience to just touch the product. You look at the back of the preamp. It's all silver instead of gold. It's rhodium-plated Furatech connectors. Rhodium is the rarest of precious metals, more expensive than gold, way more durable than gold. It's also molecularly flat, which means that when you're sliding connectors together, you're making greater surface area and overall a greater contact than if you were doing it with the same scenario in gold. Look at the back of the amplifier. You see special speaker connectors. These are Furatech torque guard speaker connectors. As you tighten them, we'll go click, 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 and that tells you that they have reached the proper amount of tightness so that you don't over tighten. Speaker connectors also use rhodium. So rhodium plating is just another way of showing attention to detail. So a much higher quality connection is possible with rhodium than it is with gold. The amplifier also has active cooling. We have what we call the IC tunnel, IC like cold. Intelligent cooling tunnel is what it means. So the IC tunnel uses a thermostatically controlled fan. It draws air through the input of the front of the amplifier and exhausts it out the back. The fan itself is not spinning at such a high speed, but it's just stirring the air enough, moving it through the tunnel enough to remove the heat necessary to keep the amplifier at its ideal operating temperature. You can put this amplifier in places like equipment racks and cabinets where a conventionally cooled amplifier really doesn't want to be. Because we're moving air through the system and we don't want to bring any contaminants into the system, we don't want dust and dirt coming into the amplifier, we have a filter on the front that you can vacuum clean or you could pull off and wash. It is a bit of a maintenance item, but it's a way of making sure that the amplifier stays clean inside and allows unrestricted and very quiet flow of air through the amplifier. One other detail that I think most amplifier manufacturers miss is the importance of the power cable. The amplifier has to be able to pull a large amount of current out of the wall periodically. There's also noise that can be conducted into the system, and you don't want that noise to find its way in through the power cord. So a high quality power cord can improve the sound of an amplifier. The starting point with Classé is that we give you an exceptionally good power cord unlike anybody else in the business. When you own something that is of very high quality, it gives you pleasure even when you're not using it. If you interact with it, you should feel that quality. Touch the component. It's a massive, extremely well-made component. It has very close attention to detail in all the fit and finish. These are very high quality products. Thanks for watching.